Now we're going to take a look at scripting and code templates. In this demonstration, I'll show advanced scripting based on JavaScript and XML. I'll also show how frequently used scripts can be stored as code templates. As an example, I'll format incorrect HL7 fields. I'll be showing the code template demo channel. You can see now it's received 0 and sent 0 messages. I'll open the channel view, and rather than editing the channel, first I'll show you some code templates that we've configured. On the left under the channel tasks, I'll click Edit Code Templates. Code templates can be used to create functions or code snippets that you might use across many channels. In this case, I've created two code templates. The first one is a function to format a social security number. It will ensure the social security number is of the format with the dashes. The second code template is a function that formats a patient's name. In this case, it will convert first space last into last caret first. This will take a standard name and convert it into last name and then first name as different components. This is especially useful in HL7. Now let's look at the channel where I call this code. The source is a simple LLP listener. I can see that I have one transformer. I have a simple JavaScript step that I've created, and all the JavaScript step does is call code templates on specific fields. You can see here that I'm replacing the incoming message, PID 19.1, which is the social security number, with a formatted social security number. I'm also replacing PV1 7.1 and PV1 8.1 with formatted names. Let me show you how I created these. First, I pasted a message template. This is what I expect in. Here you can see in PV1, the doctor name is not formatted properly. In the message tree, I can open up PV1, PV1.7, PV1.7.1, and I can drag and drop this over. Now I know I want to change the value of that in the incoming message, so I'll drag it over, I'll hit equals, and now I know that I want to format it, and I want to use the code template that I created. I can change my category to show user-defined functions. These are code templates. And here I can see the two functions I've created. The descriptions for these functions will show up as tooltips. You can see here that it's converting first space last into last caret first. Let's drag this function over. When I drag it over, I'll see that I need to fill in the name. Let's go ahead and once again go to the message tree and drag over PV1.7. Now I can see how I'm setting PV1.7 with the value from PV1.7 and then formatted. I did the same thing above with PV1.8, and then I did it with the social security number as well, which is PID 19.1. After I've added those three lines, all three of those fields should be formatted properly. Let's go test it out. You can see the destination for this channel is currently just dropping it off to Channel Writer with none as the channel name, meaning this message won't go anywhere. First, we need to grab an invalid message to send it. In an earlier demo, I created a message like this. You can see here that the PV1 names are not formatted properly. Let's go ahead and use this message. Now, since I'm just testing in Mirth, I'll simply send it from Mirth by right-clicking and hitting Send Message. I'll paste in the message I want to send. In the end, I should see this field and this field being formatted properly. It's also going to format the social security number. Currently it already has the dashes, so I'll go ahead and remove them for this message. Let's process it. And here you can see that this channel has now received one message and sent one message. If we look at the message browser, we'll see the source message that came in. We'll see the names here. And then we'll look at the encoded message, and we'll see that the names have been reversed. Last name first, followed by a caret, which separates the two components, and then the first name. You can also see that Social Security number has had the dashes added.